How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's video, it's Friday. This is the first week that I've done my 3 uploads, Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And I have to say I've enjoyed it. Slight downside, as I mentioned in one of the other videos, I'm just getting over a cold. So my apologies if I'm sounding very clogged. Bound up. Is that the right terminology? Bunged up? I'm not going to get into bounding up, but bunged up, I should say. But see that there noise, by the way? Just talk about, that's my elbow on the table. In case the microphone's picking it up, I can assure you it's my elbow. Let me try to do it again. It's not happening. Hold on. Yeah, can you hear that? Sound effects. It's going to make a liar out of me. Oh, there you go. Right, so stop moving your elbow, Sean, and get back to the video. So guys, what I've been doing is I've just been genuinely out and about here on the bike, looking for photographs and documenting as I'm going along. You will see a few photographs shortly, but I just kind of start off by thanking you all so much for your lovely comments and support. I know, and several of you have already sent photographs in for the March challenge on where this month here is going to be on self-portraits, and it's just a great response, and so many of you are saying you're going to do it, so it's absolutely brilliant. That's the Albert clock in the distance on the right hand side. It's like Belfast Leaning Tower of Pisa. It was built in soft foundations and sort of lopsided a bit. If you're ever in Belfast, by the way, give us a shout, because this is an amazing city. So much history. I just love it. Love being home. So guys, as I say, thank you all so much for your support on the channel. My intention, I really want to keep doing these here 3 videos a week. And although I'm not feeling great myself, I know I haven't got the content that I'm wanting to put up. I will put up a few photographs. This is getting the momentum going. This is so that I'm making sure I'm going to follow through. I'm going to do this here. I'm going to make sure that, you know, I put up the content, because it's so easy. I'm king of procrastination. You'll see there's a lot of street art here in Belfast, by the way. Just get a wee bit sidetracked. And I just love being home again, because it's just constantly evolving. You really don't know what you're going to see, so it's good just to go about constantly looking. Look at that, man. I just love it, I have to say. Yeah, so I have plenty of plans here for the channel. So I'm going to get myself well at the moment. I'm getting hammered with the reactive arthritis, so I can't walk too far. I had to take a few days off there. I'm going to take it nice and easy at the weekend. I'm going over to Sheena's tonight. She's cooking us a lovely meal. It's her son Owen's birthday. So Owen and Claire is coming over. So we're going to have a lovely evening with the guys. And I don't know what I'm going to be doing tomorrow. But as I say, hopefully get some photographs taken. And I'll give you a wee shout then on Monday's video. So I love the art. Look at this here, man. Isn't that absolutely fantastic? In the distance there, you can see a skip on the left hand side, and basically you can I thought it was a statue inside. It was when it came back, it was like a mannequin inside. So I looked back round again just to see if I got a photograph. I took some photographs with my camera phone and also my DSLR, and just carried on. It basically airs the Irish News, absolutely amazing paper, great journalists, great photographers. And just around the side of it, look at this here for a mural. I just wanted to let you see this here, because you know, I will be doing a video solely on the street art. I have done a video on the political murals. If you're not familiar with it, I'll put the links up. That wee girl was just coming, so I had my phone in my hand, and basically I just grabbed a shot there with her. I think it works. This is it from the other side of the street, obviously, just to give you a bit of the scale of it. But it's just, Belfast is booming. A lot of building going on. And that's me. So when you're out and about, guys, I always constantly document the areas that I'm in. And you could do the same yourselves where you're living. Because it's surprising, the old buildings that we're used to, you could get up one morning and they're gone. And you could say to yourself, when did that happen? Now, as I'm cycling away, at St. Patrick's Church there, and I have been documenting the building work going on behind it. But I just liked the way the skies was there, and of course the cranes. So I thought to myself, I'd loop back round again, get across the road without getting knocked down, and seeing what sort of photographs that I'll take. Now, Obviously the sky was looking fantastic to be shot in black and white. Now although I'm shooting a DSLR, I'm shooting it in colour, and then I will convert it over. But that's what I do, guys. It's not the case I have to be, Pulitzer Prize or winning, awards for the best photograph in the world. It's not about that. To me, they're just documenting a slice of time for the future generations to look back on. So I would say capture the present so those in the future can look back at the past. Because it's surprising, I always try to think of what someone in 50 years time or 100 years time think when they see photographs of the way we lived. And I think sometimes we can get wrapped up believing that, this is just for us. Oh, it's people on Facebook might like it, or people on YouTube like it. I try to think more about, document these areas, document the streets, photograph the people, and the change in face of wherever you live. And I just think it's good to do. And I highly recommend you to do it, because I don't know if you get inspired or empowered from the old photographs from where you grew up. I do, and I always have, and I always will. And I just love comparisons between the way they used to live until the current moment. And I'm now then fast forward, not 100 years time. Obviously, I'll be well gone, and you may be well gone, who knows, depending on what age you are. But I would like to think, people's going to look back on us and turn around and go, is that the way they actually lived? Like, what is the future going to hold for us? So guys, that's me. I'm going to wrap it up. I just want to let you know that I appreciate you here. Have a fantastic weekend. I'm sorry the way I'm speaking here, all clogged up. My head's a bit like I'm wearing an internal balaclava, so I'm not as sharp as I used to be. That'll all change next week, and we'll get back. I have so many ideas. Just watch this space, and thank you so much for hanging in. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you in Monday's video. And guys, don't forget, get yourselves a wee self-portrait and send it over to me, info@rambleswithmycamera.com. Check links up above. Catch you later, guys. Bye.